everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to link text boxes in Adobe InDesign. To link your text boxes, you'll need at least 2 text boxes. Now let's link the text box. Select the past text box with the selection tool. You will notice a small square at the bottom right of the text box. Click on it. Your cursor will change to a loaded text icon. Move your cursor to the second text box and click inside it. The text from the past text box will flow into the second one. If there's more text than can fit in these two boxes, you can create an additional text box and link them in the same way. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.